Hi Shanshan, happy 18th birthday and maligayang pagtanda sa'yo. And you know what? Best wishes for you, my friend. Alam mo ba, we're so lucky to have you as part of our life because you're really one of a kind. At alam mo yan. Tsaka sana wag kang magbabago kasi alam mo naman ng 18 ka na, you can do all the things that you want na. Pero sana always know your limitation. Mag-iingat ka palagi. And yung health mo, huwag mong pababayaan. Especially your studies. Sana mag-aral mabuti para yung mga dreams mo in life, mas ma-achieve mo pa. And I know you're really strong woman na kahit madaming mga nangyari sa'yo, madaming mga problemang dumaan sa'yo sa 18 years na pamamalagi mo dito sa Earth. Yun talaga yung description na pamamalagi sa Earth. Pero friend, sana huwag kang magbabago. Stay strong. Because we, your friends, your families are always here for you to support you. Nandito lang kami at kung kailangan mo man ng tulong, andito lang kami na nagmamahal sa'yo at handang sumuporta sa kahit anong bagay na hanggat makakaya namin. Kasi we know na ganyan ka din, yung ganun din yung gagawin mo. And sana ngayong 18 ka na, kung meron mang pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo, sana change not into into the worst one, but sana to the better. Not only to the better, or should I say, it must be to be the best. And alam mo yan, kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Hindi na, 'di ba? So, friend, wala man ako sa birthday mo ngayon, pero ang gusto ko lang sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to at enjoy lang. Sana always smile kasi tsaka ayun, always smile and alam mo na yan, na-speechless ako kasi birthday mo, alam mo ba yon? Nakakainggit, wala ako dyan, hindi sana, andyan na ako, sumasayaw na tayo, pumaparty na, kumakain na. Pero, ayun, enjoy lang and yung gift mo, pag akyat mo ng Baguio, kung aakyat ka ng Baguio, ililibre na lang kita. That's a promise. So, happy 18th birthday ulit and enjoy the rest of the night and pag uwi ko, kita kits. Bye bye. Happy birthday. I love you, friend.